Hello. It's that time of the week again. Bus driving. Bloody freezing today. Part of me is regretting not going back and getting me caught. I'm on buses anyway, so I don't need a caught. Yeah, it's Friday. It's the 8th of March. And we're not doing the school run. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm not sure. We're on a different duty today. So we're travelling passenger now over to Accrington, to Rochdale's, and then we finish. I'm actually 20 minutes shorter than normal duty, so I'm losing 20 minutes pay. So I don't know the balance in the books on that one. But yeah, it's like 1 o'clock now, so yeah, I'm gonna catch the bus. A little less busier. Here comes the 6A. I think there's number 6 coming. And here comes a random coach. Not sure what time the bus is due. 12:57, 13:04, 7A. Minutes. Oh, I regret not bringing my coat now. 6 minutes, my hands are frozen already. I've only got a shirt on, got my jumper on. That isn't bus driver's uniform. It's from Enjoy Technology, because I don't have a bus. I don't have a jacket. I don't like driving in jackets. I don't have my pants on. I have jeans on today, unfortunately, because Sebastian decided that he was going to make me his potty on the way to work. So I picked him up, looked down, and had a stain on me. Get the odd customer complaining. He was just complaining there's 3 gone past and none gone this way. It's just time of day though. Traffic's busy. Drivers will be going for dinner breaks. It's that time. But it is bloody cold and windy, but Sun Treat's trying to make an appearance. But yeah, Sebastian decided that he was going to cover me in his bodily fluids, so I had to get changed, and I only have 1 pair of pants. So black jeans it is today. I feel a bit weird. I'm not used to wearing jeans whilst working. Oh yeah. A couple of videos in the works, been plans for you guys. Let us know. I'm going to put it on the community tab. What you think? So yeah, see if something you're interested in. Right, I'll talk to you when I get on the bus because it's freezing holding this camera. I'm really sorry.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
Right, well, another duty to do. 10 board now. Just doing a quick check of the bus. 8 minutes till we go out. Bit of a stressful one, last one. Really busy. Really tiring, really. This isn't too bad, actually. It was the last trip for the day. And then we just found out we're working away Monday for some reason. So yeah, I'm quickly looking at all the exterior parts, make sure there's no property left behind, and then get this show on the road and yeah, talk to you at the end of it, hopefully. Yeah, just really busy. A lot of school kids to pick up, and just wasn't in the best of moods. So yeah, really really annoyed me, should I say? But yeah, we'll do this, and I'll talk to you shortly. All right, love you all. Bye. Part of the night, check the bus, there's no stowaways. They are not taking stowaways back to the yard. Not again anywhere. I didn't take them, someone else did. But yeah, check the bus is clear. It's a cold one tonight, it's a cold one. Yep, that's everyone done. Alright, put that there. Put you over there. So, ticketer, options, end trip, accept dead run, about 6 minutes late. Make sure board's right. Not in service. Right, take her back to the yard, get her refueled, washed, cleaned, and get home to Sebastian. And a debrief, yeah, a debrief. Let's have a debrief in the car. See you soon.